Hey folks, welcome to part 36 of Java series. In this video, we will talk about finally keyword in Java. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Usually, there will be a confusion between final and finally keyword. Both of these keywords are different. This finally keyword is used along with try and catch block. Let's see it. In the last video, we had spoken about the try catch block. So, what happens is, in case of try and catch block, if there is certain condition which may throw the error or exception, that will be handled using this block. Sometimes there are scenarios where certain piece of code must be executed even if there is exception or not. Certain things like if there is any connection close, database connection is there, if we want to close the connection. So all that must be executed even though if there is error, irrespective of error or not, right? So at that particular time, we can use this finally block and it is not mandatory to use. So, suppose if I wrap this particular piece of code and finally block, irrespective of whether there is an error or not, this piece of code will be executed. See, there is an exception, but still, this piece of code got executed. Suppose if I change it to something and execute it. So, if it is there or not, that doesn't matter. This finally block will be executed. Another thing, what to remember is whenever we use this try block, okay, either catch block should be there or finally block should be there. And these are like optional. Finally, especially finally block is not mandatory to use. But whenever we have this try block, we have to use either catch or finally block. Okay. And multiple finally block is not possible. Suppose if I want to use the finally keyword, it is not possible. It will throw an error here, syntax error. Okay. So this is about the finally keyword in Java. This is a small video. Hope you understood the finally keyword in Java. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.